Nchomulgeria nerit Korean Hamis tarikinye echumutinye 12 mwaka yagawe chibere na 2025 chinsa isano onaibere igoro chingakicine ngo kwarigania hime ya mangana maya seketeseni kyao kyabene Gen Soko TV nkwerekere yendere kwene kibwa ase chinsemo ao retera nenchenkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga. Amaya chinsa isa na ibero mwanchu mugeria nigotokunya chaka korwa se county ya Nyamira asebono maega ya seneti gokora ukona chakwabo igoro yomuswada abwoko mwaka isiko ya BC mugabana abwe county ya Nyamira Amoski mu Nyaribo nigo nsemo oyabarai ibeso kirie na weriba gusiro mugabana Nyaribo na gwakerege tambokerekyo ingambu ya mono gokwana umwe Nyambega gisesa nigo airanirie mbu ya mono weche asi baria babwatanete eriyo kwene kyabuna Nyaribo onyolire obwene bwaye ase ayenekia kubwaterana heriyo gwikerania amagendero ase county eyo ya Nyamira.
My name is Zalma Bonuke, part of the team that was representing His Excellency the Governor in this impeachment motion. We want to thank the Senate for upholding the rule of law and the tenets of constitutionalism. It was very clear, as we had indicated, that this motion of impeachment did not meet the threshold. And the threshold I'm talking about is the 2/3 threshold, which is provided for under Section 33 of the County Government Act. This issue of threshold and the element of removal of a governor from office, I will say it is sui generis. It is unique on its own, unlike any other motions that are passed at the County Assembly, which in most cases will be a third or majority of the third of the members in the County Assembly. And this is a very good precedence that has been set. Much as the Senate didn't delve into the issues of proxy, we have highlighted, and you could feel that the element of proxy does not exist in the Kenyan laws. So we want to really thank the Senate, and we are very happy that they have agreed with us and they have upheld the integrity and supremacy of the Constitution.
Mimi naitwa Nyambega Gisesa, ni MC kutoka kule Nyamira County na National Chairperson wa United Progressive Alliance. Hii shida ambayo tumeletewa na Assembly, tumeletewa na wanasiasa, tunashukuru sana kwanza kwamba gavana wetu amepita. Na kama gavana wetu amepita, hizi siku 2-3 ndio tumeona marafiki wa gavana ni akina nani. Mimi mwenyewe kwanza nishukuru wale wote watu wa Nyamira ambao tumeshirikiana nao. Pia nimshukuru gavana mwenzetu, gavana Simba Arati, ambaye tumeshirikiana na yeye. Na ni muhimu sana kwa sisi watu wa Nyamira na watu wa Kisii tunataka peace ikue ndio maendeleo ifanyike. Alafu pia kwenda mbele tuambie assemblies kama mnafanya impeachment lazima mfuate sheria.
Na gotiga naje tigatoske mutubano mwancho mugeria asebono yoboretie kerogokyo ogwe MCA Township Ward omwaka w'ikibibere na 2022 na akaba anamba 2 omoske Jackson Nyanumba anigo amochiri aba MCA as ogosinywa komanya igoro ibesebere yose togose 2/3 yaba MCA 35 gokwana ime ya Nyamira Nyanumba nigatebire ngabono mugabana Nyaribo nabonete akore emeremo na kwenekya hinga amochori abekerete nkonyarare kunyagayana eriyo koreta obusonsoro ku ase county ya Nyamira.
Lakini rende batemere go imbiche gavana, it's like they are not able to do that. Gavana, I think yes aikere tabono tigaira ne ground atakorere gas na gorete biragita nechigali nemo moro mumbaka nerete in various places. I think the period chigali chiaberere ga probably kindi jasere kohera chitairi ichinde jada takire maintenance bono tigabe ke budget akore maintenance asoro tokore gas aggressively kiagera ese line yanyagetali okoma chakora mna river hospital yeto at least they have succeeded by and large bono munda nyagetali ituru na bakoranga ntobwate nyagetali at least era compete nyagetali chinde se country ya Kenya. Lakini rende I'm disappointed in a MCA cheto. Chiroro twachoreta and we were expecting a lot from them. Especially our language principal school and the lawyers. Tinga being administrators of schools. Because you are going to find out 2/3 of 35 ninki. At least maybe a reasonable amishati. Yoko what I think at 35 is constant. Lakini one number is at 35 is constant. Lakini awande mbaro hesabu ya ingerete probably batali kumanyanga 2/3 of 35 is 24 and not 23 because you are dealing with human beings. Bono ayara edu lakini ndo tiangireli bageli again wakira abantu baitu ba Nyamira county especially ali setu wagwate chikura at ward level ngamba aka chikura kitali ko baditani bipae yes.
Na hagoska mutu mwancho mugireria munyakergo obwechi basari asensemo yebunge ya West Mugirango Henry Kimori niga hatebirenga aborokibwa bari barachie egoichoria chifomu ucho barimo chejibasari nigo barachie kwererwa egetambokero ekenene umuroberio obwechi fomu gosoka na chifomu uchie chibasari cha West Mugirango nigo hongete obutuko obwaigoro ase aborokiba ba grade 10 bali aba form 3 amona bali abichi university baraichorio chifomu echo ogwetera asomotandao na guchira wikasi chia bisi ichio omugambi
igonde teko manyinga ekero ntobwate contacts chia sukuru chonspi na mbeyemo igekero mukubeka ekero mwana kubeka stamp ere yo bolimo nomba ligo tu atole contact na bari mu sukuru kiri tu amanyanga kwelyo mwana yo no gwe sukuru eri osteri gwe sukuru eri na amba ibere ali stock and as chief centers abagambeli babo certify ali ntubwate umukaranyo ito ogwikaransaroro ntubwate getabu yegro kunga accountable area unokoleze elikwende yao form yao igo akoye receive onye ligereria onye access na endo record ya segetabu. So yato konya ekero mwana ata bright ya form nekere form irakanga nerembe nabo to megura sibitawo bietonga oyo na bright kene go star bright igone to tebanga to base koleta form obisia onyo ko runyama ya word usikora le to obisia o make sure nga ya we recorded into the counter book ibere uko to konya ko assessinga abana ba bright balenga na ne balenga bale chenu ni so wa bright alibu muchibu alialia no to tonya order form area iko to tonya koleta into fake na bali ba koleta muri fake net report card ya uro ya leta fake nko check to na boto kora reference to the school to aboarding ekene umwana oyo ngati performance ya yere na mbende ya kabere ndatewe nkelinga chipasa licheito kuna tokwa ipasa lientangani ipasa likobwati ya kabere ngoboli tura abana baitu bakorombukia se school grade kia okagenda igoro ekero grade ya wepira na anse yake igeko ba difficult ko konye pasari goto gutawanya abane pasari bali hard working in school ibe toko ba ni kare chia abana abo kero ba ile pasari na ende bakoro mukyo manene ase school.
Na mwancho mulgereria ritko erimo lyoka mayaga aye board member ozone 10 Vincent Atei komochia hoyokolia ekergo keria kebo senator ase county ya Nyamira Jeremia Migosi ase kerianga ebitango abegetego chia ase chief factory ichichae ime ye county ya Nyamira chiranirie magaga oboremi mayaga goseni go Migosi asokire na kwena liengane iyo kokwana Jeremia Migosi oiranirie gwetera ase nchira yesimi nigatebiringa ekina abegete korusia ba director abechae abakurumi na kyo kiagadere agendrete wanibua na asate runga atari gochia korana amagega bono
terisiruma igonya gweta round na mali aho ni bichwe sabantu babeke muko obor mugwagi anchore yes baoni angi anchore to tene nemete yabo baoni obor mugwa joint which factory 6 kanya twanyori rumuguri orego tokuri agorera ne bakebi nebi ekaro siasa ya chaka it was a very senior government officer agateba gane mora sort out na kike mrojo to ndata ko sort out na ki na ndi numu acha mugatoma Migosi acha goteba na migondo nto oni lakini ko rere ne factory agata tutinda nyora mulimi agateba na tumite Migosi iko Migosi ne akorta ye tumite
marera nengoro kutera Migosi byokoliyo wa senator Nyamira county ati asoka tebya bantekene ati gonyo kwebise leta ya Migosi osandonsi mbaro bagosali ebintu byabarimi inkwane dingana nindengam asige factory chinyinge chi direct ankoni bare no niche club chigali bakoni batari ko ino for wabale ebi nebintu byabalemi egen tutoketengeringa kabra bawo nikende gyonsi tigaba be kabalemi babeke binde byato bwasyoku abali bamanyoni nichi besa bawo nichi besa kyabo tari bakwana bawo ni ebintu byabalemi batari ko batebi batari ko uniform and batari ko beka andonsi bamanyu nande ntebe after to abwatike kese ko store one nile giyo mwako mugima nkwaro je serikali ya uniform after na alika marubayo aba mpimba tete bagaitana na county chonsi bakamiti abalemi kukwanira mangana yo bolemi mwaro je CS igorona nge parliament over the same 9 kapra yo kartobe ke kes kotini ko sina suit ba ke serikali APS we ko monyene na aligete irube okotebya ba director bande bonds bara sebo director we factory ba ko banainde chi director inata companies chiriyo kole biashara na KTDA ande kana kyanyo kya tia singe njabono na buba kusalie bintu KTDA na ende bara ba director al chi factory ne chi factory chionsi osiende chionsi echiwade interest ejita bwenereti asinge ntumba leo kwenda ko cheki abande na abande baligerelio kiri bono ebakubwatera na kusalie bintu byabantu ye ntunta de abantu baito bonsi abari baito mbiringa ki ese evento ajagete ntulikoira na maga tubwate bakomo elio ekerego cyo kwikanga abantu bande bakuwe bonus onye 50 shillings etuteta abantu baito bonsi bawe bonus erengene 50 shillings tali mekoro babanda batokolera ngabande bairu 57 abande bairu 10 shillings bamaza tengane quality yarenge benga gose chiro necha yonse twasa twone tia samo yuo konyoranga ateine role mutuko tetea egento kitari kyobone esinge njegero to koni cha samo usito kutumeka dere yem oje boyiko bale konyora 10 shillings tetu tubete konyora 10 shillings igonga na singe njabago sali bintu bya bari na kibintu bire na kinate nini rabo kongo tebya bari mubetonga ki ntorigo chuwancherana
na gusika mutu mwancho murgeria chinyagitari chiria chikogendibwa ane serikali eria ye county nigo chirachi kuburwa amaryogo onye serikali nene eterigo chia konyara agwakana amadeni ego chia ase chinyagitari echo eye nenkwana ayo mugabana abwe county ya Nyeri Moske Mudahi Kahiga uyote birebuna serikali nigo ebwate amadeni are egoika enusu billion Kahiga niga yakwana aya ase ensemo yeli ya Nyeri ekero harenge kigora emiradi au chinsemo cha udaya amonense media ya town ya Nyeri.
Ni mpango mzuri lakini kuna upungufu wa fedha, ndipo tunapata kwamba county zinashindwa kutekeleza wajibu wao kwa kununua madawa na vifaa vingine, kwa sababu kwa mfano niseme tu county kama ya Nyeri tayari tunadai SHA zaidi ya milioni 280. Ukiangalia bado kuna pesa ambazo zilikuwa za NHIF milioni 242. Hizo fedha zote ambazo tumezitaja kama zingekuwa zimelipwa basi tungekuwa tayari tumeshanunua madawa, tushafanya mambo mengi, lakini kwa sasa kuna shida. Wagonjwa wanafika katika hospitali, wengine wanapata kwamba faida wanaoipata kwa SHA imepungua kidogo kuliko ile ambao walikuwa wanapata katika NHIF. Hasa wagonjwa wa saratani inawaumiza sana, kwa sababu inabidi warejelee mifuko yao kutafuta pesa zaidi ndipo waweze kukamilisha matibabu.
Gotinga na yo mwancho mugireria ni gobone serikali nene yaboliwe egokinia obokorari hasense media yoborendi amo one ebigambero buna nchira yemo yokorwania ogocherwa kwa bana abanyaruka ime ye county area ya Kilifi kokwana korwa segeta seni kya banyanyimbo kya mutwapa ime ye county ya Kilifi asekrania hegati yebinto ebyo bira chikotumeka korwania ebikorwa ebyo omwabisa abwabwene ebwa mwanyabantu o Charles Kwemoi otebire ebuna ene emiremo ya serikali ikoene kyanga ebikoro ebyo ngabire bikokorwa.
When to look at the gender desk and the space that is there, clearly it is not the best for dealing with these issues because it's too small and it's not possible for anybody to report cases where they feel or they fear that the information that they are provided will be leaked or where there are other people present. So clearly it is important to address that issue.
Masikio ya serikali ni nini? Mtoa habari kwetu na hatua itachukuliwa haraka iwezekanavyo, na sisi tuko hapa kudumisha amani na hatutakubali mwananchi yote ama mtoto yote wa hii nchi adhulumiwe na wakora.
Gatuzi letu tumeweza kuanza kuona visa ambazo vinaongezeka vya kulawiti watoto na pia visa vya kudhulumiwa kutumia njia ya mtandao ambazo zimeweza kuanza kuongezeka, na pia tungeweza kushukuru jamii kuwa wameanza sasa kupiga ripoti kuhusu visa za wale ambao wako na shida ya kiakili ambao wamekuwa wakidhulumiwa.
Wazazi, tafadhalini, hii yote ni kwa sababu yenu. Shida ya watoto wetu ni nyinyi mnasababisha. Defilement cases, mzazi anaficha hata kuja kuripoti hiyo cases. Ni mtoto wako anaumia. Remember hiyo kitu bali itaishi kwa kichwa mtoto wako. Hata ukimzuia asikuje kuripoti, itamuaffect in future kwa akili yake. Na hatutaki hiyo trauma kwa
na abono mwancho mugeria tigasto sensemeli chikosori ase chikosori nabanyangongo nigo klabu keria kia Gucha Stars kabateke gusurwa chigoli bere asisato ne klabu keria kia Mofa gose Michael Olunga Football Academy ritkoregoro imega sero kia Agusi Stadium kokwana mega ya gosori yo mwarimu Ogucha Stars Samio Kote nigate birenga nigabetri tubukobe kabagosori ibande isiko ekiagara nigo bagateka bakonyoro wasakono obwachali asensemeria ya junction ya Ugembo ekerabare gocha ime yegeti kia Agusi Stadium mwanjo mwile nyaranga igaro hebasi ye timu ya Gucha Stars nigo yabwa trentrum wasakana moke asensemeria ya Ugembo yentokere tabagosori bande bali bagone tego chaka kobe kwa isiko no nyanigo bakanyara amachimo obe na gusurwa chigoli sato asibere ne timu area ya Michael Olunga Football Academy gose Mofa.
Yeah, ni very unfortunate. Asubuhi kulikuwa na accident na kuna wale dumia kuna wenye walistahili kucheza, niliweka kando. Kuna wengine wameingia ndani na maumivu, but tumekuwa na game back to back. Tuliona hii game tusipoicheza tena bado tutakuwa tumejiongezea mizigo, so tulikuwa tumetoka tukuje tucheze. So mbali na hiyo hali ilibidi tuendelee tucheze tu siku ya leo ishi. Watano kupeleka hospitali wakatibiwa. Kuna watatu waliingia na hiyo maumivu, wawili ilibidi watulie.
Thoughts and prayers to some of Gucha players. I heard that when they were coming for this game, they got an accident. So on behalf of Mofa, our thoughts and prayers are with the players. And I think it's so brave of them to, come and recollect themselves and, play.
Yeah, game imekuwa nzuri kwa sababu mbali na hiyo hali ilitokea, vijana walibidi kujitahidi na unaona tulitangulia tukafunga. But all along unapata bado kuna fatigue. Ile reaction unapata tuna come up na shuka chini. So na feel fatigue pia imechangia. Mbali na hiyo pia tumekuwa na game back to back. Ukiangalia leo ni Thursday tena tuko nao Saturday ni Sunday. Hali yenye yao vijana wamekuwa kila siku wamekuwa kimprove, na ukiangalia vile wanacheza mtindo ni tofauti na vile tulikuwa tukicheza kitambo. So kila siku tunajaribu kujel na waingie katika hali ya kucompete katika NSL. Ukiangalia ni timu imepromotiwa, na wakati imepromotiwa sio Division 1, game ni tofauti sana kwa sababu viwanja haziruhusu mtu acheze.
About the game, I think we didn't start well. Today we struggled a bit in so many areas, passing, decision making, but we picked up. Of course, conceding a goal in the 5th minute, not good. It's not our character, but we managed to get back in the game. Again, we didn't learn from our first mistake. We conceded another goal, but we lost the ball in the opposition half, and they capitalized on that. So I'm happy. Why? Because the substitutions are timely, and we had to make a very tough decision so that we can try and push. Because I felt like it would have been unlucky for us not to get a point in this game because we prepared well, and of course we got in the game, the rhythm, and we can't stick to this. We need to move forward. NSL. The games are coming up. This, of course, being a midweek clash. Now we have to think about Sunday.
Mwancho mulgirelia oyua no morokia we club keria agia mofa Charles Bruno ruren kwana yaje na baigo morokia we club keria agia gucha sase mwalimu Samia Okot nero ruren kwana yaje igoro yegosori yo ya igoro nyoranga achigosori timu chonsibere nigo chigosori ase ligi area ya kabere na imense ya Kenya ya NSL esenchera hire ya bene geteseni again Soko TV nigo togoto mapore ito ya bwango gocha asa abagosori bali we club kya gucha stars banyatko bakonyaru wasoko ngina gotigerwa chingoma chigari kelio olia igoro cheto chideka 10 na kianda igoro ye chinsa isana ibere chabona mugaso abuna ongikirio mwerio mangana maye senchira ayo bwenkonde nwanyore senchira bekanu kera chigo ika ensayamo amonichinsa isato ochabutuko Rosemary Wanja Tolde amona John Kebati no waringe imega yemenyoncho kwenekia senchira ya bene konyora mariogi amo onechi bicha helitana nencho kwa Daniel Omwaga twaro mugaso waramoto ereru.
Eye Soko TV uboroso bumugusi gusekero kende gyonsigoro yemerobeli ito Soko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukuri email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service itego tukasamaga Hazina Towers egoroba ya 5 asumucho munene Nairobi. Soko TV uboroso womugusi magega ya television Soko wikasero yao kwanyori baga ligi yaliyokoralia asegete senambeyemo imena isiko yeriroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokoralia bokonyulia ogokwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyori baga bene liyokoralia asegete senieke aseriguri liyakibusani tulikere gose twakeresimi gwitere namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662 Kurumucho mano Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira, nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya. Abari kibaitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yoboikirano. Emanya mange naboigo bwatra Soko TV koigeka chingenjo chyomugusi. Soko TV uboroso bumugusi.